Very good morning to everyone. The last, I hope you all are fine. At the same time, I hope you might have seen the videos that was updated in the previous classes about related tense and its classification. The last the last class and also the previous classes, we have studied about tense and its classification, as the same time tense and its usage of tense. So the last class we saw there are three types of tense. Let me give a brief introduction of the tense. There are three types of tense: past tense, present tense, and future tense. So each tense is classified into four. As I told you earlier, each tense is classified into four. When you take past tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. When you take present tense, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Just like future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. At the same time, I also explained the formation of each tense. When I taught you about present tense and the past tense. And the present tense, when you take simple present, it is used to express habitual action. Same time, it is used to express permanent truth, scientific truth. At the same time, to ask about the immediate needs. Questions rise about the immediate needs. These are the uses of simple present tense. The present continuous means action taking at the time of speaking, action that is going on at the time of speaking. Then the formation is am, is, or plus verb plus ing. Then when you come to the next one, present perfect, that means action that completed in the immediate past, the action that completed in the immediate past. To express an action that happened in the immediate past, we have to use present perfect. The formation is has or have plus past participle. Has or have plus past participle. When you come to the last one, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous means the action happened in the past and it is still continuing. In order to express such action, you have to use present perfect continuous. You have to use has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. Has or have plus been plus verb plus ing. Then at the same time, when we saw about the simple past. Simple past means the already completed action. The other or the past action. In order to express the past, action, you have to use simple past. That means the formation is subject plus past tense for statement. When you ask question, did plus present tense. For a statement, subject plus past tense. When you for statement, if you want to ask questions, yes or no questions or whatever, maybe did plus present tense. Then let us see the next one. Past continuous. They have turned to page number 131. Past continuous. Past continuous. So when two actions take place, the past actions take place. One will be interrupted. One will be continuous. At the same time, another action will happen. Another past action that gets over. In order to express that one, you have to use past continuous. For example, when I went to his house, he was watching TV. That means something was continuing in his house, and I say about a finished action. When I went to his house, he was watching TV. Just like this, I am watching a movie when she called. Just like this. Then present perfect also. Past perfect also. The same two past actions. When two past actions happen, one will be completed on. Another one will be completed past action. You have to present it in present perfect. The example is, when we arrived, the classes had already begun. When we arrived, the classes had already begun. The past action has already over, and another past action take place. In order to mention that one, we use past perfect. Just like past perfect continuous also the same. When two actions take place, one will be a continuous action. That one will be a continuous action in the past before continuous action that happened in the past, that happened for a long time. For example, he had been waiting for an hour when she finally arrived. She had been waiting for an hour when she finally arrived. That means one past continuous action took place, and here another one action also gets completed. In order to express that one, that you use past perfect continuous. Then all of you turn to page number 135. All of you turn to page number 135. First one, 135, first one. Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Choose the correct form of the present tense form from the verb. First question. All children learn. All children learn something new every day. All children learn something new every day. The reason for that is, here all children means plural, so no need to add s or es to the verb. So you should use learn. Next one. Good student always. It is singular. Good student. The singular subject. So you use add s or es to the verb. Always works hard. Next one. Engineers dash bridges. Engineers plural. So no need to add s or es. You should use bold. BIND. Next one. My sister is an architect. She designs. My sister is an architect. She designs. Here my sister is singular subject, so you should use s or es to the verb. So designs. She designs skyscrapers. Next one. The Himalayas protects India from cold winds. The Himalayas singular subject, so you have to add s or es to the verb. Next one. It always drizzles. It always drizzles here in the afternoon. It always drizzles here in the afternoon. Drizzles. Next one. My mother works in a factory. Singular subject, so you have to add s or es to the verb. Next one. Chilla speaks English very well, but she doesn't understand Hindi. Chilla is singular subject, singular noun. So you have to use s or es to the verb. Next one. Cows plural. So you have to use give us milk. If cow is there, you have to use gives. You have to give. Here the question cows, the COWS is there. So it is plural, so you have to use give, GIV. No need to add s or es to the verb. Next one. The trains to Chennai always run on time. The trains to Chennai always run on time. Next one. Come to next one. Present continuous tense. Present continuous means Formation. Am is or plus verb plus ing. Who is that boy standing on the table? Who is the boy standing on the table? Next one. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Answer. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am listening to music. Next one. My brother is working. Singular subject, so he is working. Working in London now. My brother is working in London now. Next one. I comes means you have used am. I am waiting for my mother. Next one. It is better not to disturb her. She is working. She is working. Next one. What are they doing? Use the verbs below and write sentences. Tom is eating. Next one. Anu is singing. Anu is singing. First one. Anu is singing. Number 2. Peter is. What is Peter doing? Peter is watching through the binocular. Peter is watching. Next one. Sudan is playing. Sudan is playing guitar. You can make it in a full sentence also. Sudan is playing guitar. Next one. Kalai is crying. Next one. Velu is reading. What is in her hand? Book is in her hand. Velu is reading. Then come to the last part of page number 135. Write the ing form of the verbs. Come means coming. Come, for come you have to use ing. Come, coming. Ing, use ing there. Take, taking. T-A-K-I-N-G, add ing there. Fly, flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. Next one. Swim, swimming. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G, swimming. Next one. Study, studying. S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G. Next one. Read, reading. Then come to the next one. Write negative sentences. He is learning to read. He is learning to read. I will give 1 or 2 examples. I will work out 1 or 2 questions. The rest of them you have to do it. He is learning to read. The first one. He is not learning to read. Negative of that one. He is not learning to read. Next one. I am having a bath. I am having a bath. I am not having a bath. I am not having a bath. Rest of the questions try to do when you come to the next class. Next one. Write the questions for the answers. No, they are singing is the question. Is the statement is a different question. Are they singing? Are they singing? Next one. Yes, she is writing a new book. If the question statement is negative, you can ask. If the statement is positive, you can ask negative question. Aren't she writing a new book? You can ask fill the remaining questions. Then come to the next one. H path. Fill in the blanks with the verbs in the present. Fill in the blanks with verbs in the present continuous. You are listening to music. You are listening to music. Next one. He is crying. He is crying. Present continuous. The formation is this one. And he saw plus verb plus ing. And is verb plus ing. Next one. I am swimming in the pool. Question number 3. I am swimming in the pool. First question number 4. I dash wait for a daughter. I am waiting for a daughter. Next one. Fifth one. Is she watching TV? Is she watching TV? Next one. Who is he? Who is he helping? Who is he helping? Next one. Her father is not cooking dinner. Her father is not cooking dinner. He is not cooking dinner. Next one. Akila is not singing a song. Akila is not singing a song. Next one. My brother is not doing his homework. My brother is not doing his homework. Next question number 10. Is your mother working today? Is your mother working today? Next one. Amuda and Prabha are playing tennis. Amuda and Prabha are playing tennis. Next one. Amit and Ravi is not swimming in the lake. Amit and Ravi is not swimming in the lake. Amit and Ravi is not swimming in the lake. Next one. Make the sentence in the present perfect tense using the verbs in bracket. Present perfect tense. The formation is this one. Has or have plus past participle. Near to the heading, you write it. Near to the heading, you can write it. First question. First question. She has never apologized. She has, she, singular subject, so you have to use has. Never apologized to anybody. Next one. My mother has been to London. My mother has been to London. Next one. I have read all the plays of Shakespeare. I have read all the plays of Shakespeare. Next one. Have you finished your lunch? Have you finished your lunch? Have you finished your lunch? Next one. Has he brought his bike? 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 Then come to the next one. Present perfect continuous tense. S or have plus, B plus, the plus. ing is a formation for present perfect continuous tense. That means the action happened in the past and it is still continuing. In order to express that, it is present perfect continuous. Next one. First one. How long have you been waiting? How long have you been waiting? Next one. Next question. She has been working in the garden. She, singular subject. So you have to use has been working. Has been plus ing. Has been working in the garden since morning. Next, now question number 3. I have been using this mobile for 3 years. I have been using. Here I means first person singular. It takes have. You should use have for first person singular. Near the question number, you note it down. Next one. The children plural. The children. You should plural means you should use have. Have been playing. Have been playing. Playing in the park. Next one. The workers. Plural. So you have to use have been. Have been demanding. Have been plus the verb plus ing. Have been demanding. So the past tense and the future tense we will do in the next class. Try to see the previous videos and understand what you mean by tense and its classification. At the same time, you also try to frame, you will try to speak in different classifications of tenses. When you are using present tense, you should use only the present tense. Present tense means when you are speaking present tense, you should use only the same present tense. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. While you are writing an essay or anything else, if you are continuing in present tense, you can use these 4 forms, and if you are writing in past tense, you can write it in these 4 forms for writing essays in question answers. Past tense, simple present, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So at the same time, go through this exercise, book back exercise questions also, and be thorough with the grammar. Thank you. Have a nice day.